What do you think?
Goober.
Make sure it's got a little bit of Earl in it.
You could use some. Yeah, she could use a bit.
Do not reuse that funnel.
I'm reusing that funnel.
Do not reuse that funnel.
I use it for coolant and oil.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit of coolant in the engine block never hurt nobody.
That's what they all say.
That's what they all say. I'm gonna go get it now.
All right, he's going. He's going to get it. Careful. He's going to get it. This is the most goofiest fucking car I've ever seen. Hey, you didn't hear none of that.
Drink up, buddy.
Glug, 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 glug. Oh, yeah. A little bit of coolant won't hurt the oil.
A little bit of coolant never hurt nobody.
Oh, yeah. Got that Pennzoil. It's for the Pennsylvanians.
Ford recommends not this.
Oh, yeah. They recommend Quaker State 100%.
I bet so.
We don't use that Quaker State here.
Get out of there.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't even gonna check it. I know it's enough.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you kind of got to do that. All right. Let's hope the water pump issue is good.
You have my keys?
Low key, they're right here. Catch. Oh, yeah. He caught them.
Oh, yeah. Moment of truth.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if it blows up in my face. Oh, yeah. It's quieter than a mouse.
Oh, my God.
Quieter than a mouse. What do you think?
Perfection.
Low-key.
Loki, we did it.
Low-key. Car doesn't sound like Jack Snot again. Let's see if the belt squeaking issue is fixed. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's close this guy's trunk. Low-key. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's plugging in the code scanner.
Let's see, buddy.
We don't know if we have any codes because the fucking gauge cluster's off. Low-key, are there any codes? Let's see if any codes. Low-key, 0 DTC. Amazing.
Go!
Let's see if they'll fucking go so we can go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Torque. Oh, yeah. Awesome car.
Hey, it sounds 10 times better. We did it. Yay. Hey,
Yeah.
the dash is back on.
Wow, you can actually see the R pumps.
Oh, fuck, it's gone.
All right. Spoke too soon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This car is so fucking goofy. He's got his sweet tea frozen in the cup holder.
Let's go.
You know, he's a real motherfucker. Oh, yeah. This car's so goofy. I love it.
Quality. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's misfiring like crazy.
He's not happy.
Not happy, but it can get over it. I'd say she's fixed.
100%. Not really, but sort of.
3,000 or best offer.
3,000.
We're gonna skirt this bitch.
We're gonna fucking crash and die. Oh yeah.
That fucking misfire is crazy.
And most insane V6 Crown Victoria.
Premium quality. Quiet as these motherfuckers ever been.
Low
bro.
key, this is so quiet. I think the ticking is gone.
No, it's still there.
Shit.
The ticking comes from, I bet you it's gonna come from right here. That's where mine's at. Because that valve cover is leaking anyways.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Premium
yeah.
quality, look, this is loose.
Oh yeah.
It leaks from right here.